So today we want to show you how to build a pricing page with Mobilize. Now we want to do today. If you enjoy our Pidgin English tutorial for this channel, make you subscribe to this channel, make you like our channel, make you still send your comment, also we'll reply to your comment. So if you subscribe to our channel, next time we will upload new video, you will quickly get the information say we upload new video. So quickly, within small time, we will create new page. So if you follow this training, they come, you know, say now here for they create our page. Now so we take the door, we'll come here, click, then come to pages, then you will click on come to create new page. We click on create new page. If you want to clone your first page where you don't first build, like your home page, maybe you take create the next page, because sometimes people they do that kind of thing. So if you just click on your home page, click on clone page, as you click on you don't come here with that. So you type pricing, you type pricing. As you may say the sell product will be say they need to price, so you just click like type pricing, then click on good. You don't want to be that. So now if you check this place pages, you see say price 90, which means the page where they look so now pricing page now be the page where they look so. So we'll quickly just fast remove many things, because this one our home page we will build before. I want to turn this home page now. We don't clone the home page, we want to turn out to pricing page. So all these ones we go remove, and this service page you click on then click on service block, service block, click on then click on remove, say okay, you don't go, then click on this block too, then click on remove, okay, you don't go, then it now remain the header, the menu, and the footer. So we will first leave on like that. So to add now the pricing page, so we'll come to this red button with a plus inside to add block to page. So we just click inside. As we click inside, they will come waka, come find where our pricing blocks there, pricing table. So we'll click on this pricing table. So we'll now select among these three pricing table the one we be say we like, and anyone who you like you feel select, but I will also select the three commas so that me you see how they go look, how they will look when you put them. So I will select the three commands, I will come delete them later, but then we will use one. So you can click inside. I don't select the three commands, but maybe we scroll down just now, I make mistake, and this one can't go there under footer, so I will just remove and delete them. Click on her, then click on remove. You're not supposed to stay under the footer. Now footer now in the end website we would do. So now so it be here, you don't say and so now the pricing page now be this one a different style of pricing blocks. So the pricing blocks we want use here now be this three, because now three packages now I want deal with here. So the one we did up now 4 package, and the one we did down now 4 package now be. So I remove the one we did down. So I click on remove. Okay, you don't go. So we'll carry and go up. When we want to remove this block, this pricing block, I don't want to use that one. So I'll click on remove. Okay, you don't go. So now what we can get here now the header, the pricing block, and the footer. So this header I want to remove it because now front page now is supposed to, so I will remove it. Then I'll come look for another header where I will put there. So let me just come here. May I come here? I'll click on header. So I'll choose any other header where be say it will fit within I want do. So I feel just look for something we're not too special. I feel just move. Sometimes self I feel not even search too much. I just pick some things, just come up, like I just carry here, I just carry down and put for there. So why choose us. I feel just put this why choose us, but it don't still suit me reach. May I just drop something else? Okay, it don't suit me reach. I want to make sure see this video is not too long. I want to make it very short for us. Very short and fast. So I want pick this one. I want pick this one. May I pick this one? Okay. Good. It's okay like this. So this one our pricing. Now our pricing page be this. So as you may see, we dey sell products like say services. We dey sell services. Then let's say our service we dey sell. Now maybe we all talk say now beauty. Okay, maybe we all talk say now website design what they do. So now we dey sell. So I don't need this intro with here. So I'll click here and then I will just remove that show title. Then I don't go. It will remain this one. So I will just say design beautiful website. No mind waiting I write to design beautiful. I already show you how to do the editor. Then here I feel just write anything where I like put. You just say our services are professionally done and affordable. Finish. So then to learn more I will link it. So now I don't already do that place. So let's go to the service page. Say we get standard pricing, we get business package and premium package. So here now you know say na dollar now they do one. Let me use naira. So if you dey Ghana, use the sign of your own cedis. If you dey Cameroon, use the sign of your own money. Any country where you dey, you know how you to put your sign. But for those who are in Nigeria, let's say you dey build this one for 20,000 naira. Let's say 20,000 naira. Okay. And so because as you do one now, the thing don't shift go ground. So you go reduce the font. So you go reduce the font to title 2 so that make this one for show. So this one will there, so you click on her. So as you click on this one, first of all we'll reduce her, we'll increase her to 2. So make they come be the same size. Then you come put your N, which stand for naira. See and so the same thing you will still do for this one. You click on her, you increase her to be 2. Then this one you click on her, you decrease her, reduce her maybe 2, and then you come to this dollar sign. Now you select her, then type N, and let's assume say this one now 65,000, this one now 20,000. This package, why this package now the same price, but we will first still reduce her. Okay, maybe we also increase this one to 2. Then double click naira. This one 90,000. This premium. So any other thing we want add joiner, you can add down joiner. Then this buy now, we did here. You click on her. When we click on her, we feel link to the payment gateway. We could help you collect money. For example, if na paper you want link to, or if na Paystack you want link to, or InterSwitch, any place where you know say any payment gateway where they fit use their card take pay for online. Or if they don't want to pay for online, when they click here, if you create page, you fit create page wey be say when they click, that page go display your account detail wey they fit use to transfer money to you. Well, anyhow you want one, we'll talk about those ones once we build e-commerce website. This one I want to show you how to do build a pricing page. Now be this, how to build pricing page with Mobilize. This one, if you change the color to your taste, if you change it to red, okay, if you change this color, everything to red, then if you still change the buy now to order now, if you change the buy now to order now, so if you change that to order now, so now be that you don't finish with that. No more, no less. Even this one, you can change the color. If you change the color, go anything where you like. If you change that, go blue. See, all of them will turn blue. If you change this one to green, since Nigeria sign now green, so and so it be. With anything we want write here, if you just write anything we want write here, just write anything we want write. Say we deliver on time. Finish. So if you type anything you want type for here, but if you type and make sure say you reach the same 3 line, 1 2 3, because this block now 3 line, 1 2 3. So this side must be 3 line, otherwise it go jump. You see as a jump, so it not come be the same line with this one. Okay, so you must type 3 things. So since me not get too much things you want to type, because I want to make this video very short as it can be, so I will just copy this one, put full stop, then just paste them until you reach 3 line. So and I don't reach 3 line, so this other button, all of them don't they equal. Hope you understand what I try show you. All right, now here we'll for draw the curtain for today. So in our next video we'll still teach you more things about Mobilize, how to use Mobilize to build website, any kind of pages you want build for website. So I want to make you subscribe to this channel, so that when we drop new video, you will be the first person we will receive the information, say we don't drop new video. May also make comment if you get any other area we want me to teach you about how to design website, any other software you want me we use, then we will still let us know, and we'll teach you how to use that website, how to use that software. If we don't really do video for that kind software you want me we do, then we'll give you the link to that video. May you go check them out by yourself. And so we also want me to leave comments if you get any question you want to ask. You love the thing we do as we use pidgin English, the mama waiting we did, you like and like that, just give us a thumb up. And then if you want like, also click on the like there, the thumb up, me you still give us like and all of that. So now because of you we do all those ones, make you forte learn many things for internet. So we'll see you again next time. Make you enjoy yourself plenty for this weekend though. Don't let anybody cheat you.